Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a OnePlus phone that is stuck in a boot loop. Actually, it is not a boot loop because the phone starts and it works, but sometimes it just restarts on itself. As you can see, I didn't do anything, it just restarted automatically. Symptoms for this problem is the fact that you don't do anything, absolutely nothing, and the phone restarts. So my story with the phone, I had the phone 2 days before and it stopped working with the Wi-Fi, the mobile data stopped working, I didn't receive calls. So you can just see that the phone's starting to mess up. Your phone gets slow while you use it. The phone that I have in hand right now is a OnePlus 6 and I'm going to demonstrate how to fix the problem itself. So how to fix it, that's what I'm going to show you today. So this is the OnePlus 6 that I've been talking about. What you want to do is first you're going to switch off the phone, hold and power it off. So this can also happen if you have some unwanted third-party apps that mess with your phone system. So you can also check if you recently installed any new app. So now that the phone is completely shut down, what you want to do is push down the volume down button and the power button at the same time. So now you will have the phone boot, but it will not boot in a regular mode, it will boot in a different way, which we will see soon. So once it's at this screen, what you want to do is enter your lock screen password. So mine is 0610 and you click OK. So it'll take you to another screen and you choose your preferred language. In our case, it is English. And you're going to select on the wipe data and cache section, and you don't want to erase everything. This will factory reset your device and you'll lose all your information. What you want to do is go into the section option, which is clear cache, and you want to clear your cache. And now you can click done and restart, or you can just reboot directly. So at this point the problem will be solved automatically. If you have any other further questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. This problem can happen with many of the OnePlus phones. It mostly happens with the older ones. For instance, I have the OnePlus 6 in hand, but it can also happen with the recent phones. So this is data that is corrupt and which is messing up with the system that's built up with all your usage for the past 2 years. So you're just wiping the cache and there's nothing that's going to be lost of your images or your data that's on your phone, and you can still retain your phone. So yep, that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe and share this video with someone having the same issues on their OnePlus phone, and that's it. Thanks for watching.